No, I'm actually filming you.
Oh.
Cheese and tomato. German person frying German sausage.
It's actually Turkish sausage.
Okay, sorry. Turkish sausage. I can't believe this is February in Berlin. Like last year it was freezing. I actually can feel the pain on my face when I'm walking outside.
I just need to cut it to see if it's already finished.
It's alright. Is that salad?
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's my favorite salad.
Is it?
Yeah, let's look at a great cook today. Well done.
That's all of it.
Wow. Did you make it yourself?
Yeah. This is Syrian, this is like local.
Yeah.
This is hummus and you make it with meat so you have more energy. And this is egg. It's with a special spice and tomato and onions. That everyone sees.
Yeah.
And this is the national dish in Sudan. It's called
National dish.
Yeah.
I must give it
But this is-
close up.
This is
This
a
is
special.
a national dish.
It's a special family version.
So which one we start?
we can eat all at the same time.
Okay.
Do you want some bread?
Yeah. Thank you.
I will just leave this here and you just help yourself.
Thank you.
Acid on my raincoat, bitches in my trip, all bought and paid for. Almost let the thoughts infiltrate my brain though. Say my dad's a cop cause I think fake friends might be playing.
Yeah, Syrians just eat salad all the time with every meal. Even if we have soup we make salad.
Yeah, the same thing happened in Morocco. Every meal, even maybe not breakfast.
Yeah, I don't know why we do that.
But in Morocco they eat so much tangine, like they eat. I have to cook food when you come back to London. But probably a Chinese food as well.
Yeah, clearly I didn't do anything like, I don't know, Ethiopian or Korean or Afghanistan food.
Bitch so lying, she on fucking ice. Suicide, it ain't right. How you fucking die? You can try, you ain't got a life. Try to take my last time. I said it was the last time. Running from a cop after I hit him with this mag like bagpipe. I think I'm the bad guy. Jumping on a mirror, tell myself this is the last time.
The problem is in Sudan, like this, it's very healthy dish, but they always like put loads of fried stuff and like they put so much oil, and it doesn't really need much oil, like just a tiny bit more. Some
So you're like healthier version of the food. Nice. Fine.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I think we can finish today.连姆尼森，大家最近有听到他的丑闻吗？关于种族歧视的。我等一下要去看这个美国的一个艺术家的一个电影。这真的是太好吃了。3 months pregnant. Why is that filming again? Are you rolling a cigarette? We are doing
me some. You know, you can also, like, you know what I gave you this year? Because you can take the sugar out, you can put it on fire, and then it caramelizes.
What the fuck? I don't want the sugar either. Chemical weapon.
Tell me when to start.
Do it. It does become like whitish. Is it okay if I shoot them? I don't know. Maybe they would just grab my camera and beat me up. I was just filming this 24 hours. Oh, Sunday opening supermarket once.
Yay.
You also have Primark here.
Insert something with Photoshop.
My Photoshop skills is not that good. After the app scene, I didn't feel hallucinating by then, but I feel a little bit now because of the building.
Look at the lantern. It's so fucking cute.
I know, why is it so big?
I don't know, I like it.
But then why they make the water go red?
It used to be green, it's so weird, it's red now. It's like period.
Hadil is rushing to her home because she needs to pee. Too much alcohol tonight. Why did you suddenly slow down? Did you hear that I'm talking about you?
No. What did you say?
I said you need to pee.
Yeah.